After a weeks-long battle over her hospital care, family and friends are going to say goodbye to 9-year-old Payton Summons this coming weekend. Her heart stopped beating 6 days ago in a Fort Worth hospital. Her family had been fighting to keep her on life support, but Cook Children's Medical Center said that she was brain dead. No hope her condition would improve. Summons' wake is tomorrow night. Her funeral will be coming up on Saturday. And one mother who knows just what the Summons family has been going through is fighting for change now. Evelyn Kelly found herself in a similar bedside life or death decision. She now wants to change the way medical decisions are made in the state of Texas. I-Team investigator Ginger Allen tonight with the story from Houston.
He was my oldest son, and he was my best friend.
3 years ago, Chris Dunn arrived at Houston Methodist Hospital, intubated and medicated, a massive tumor on his pancreas putting pressure on his organs. Evelyn Kelly says this video captured Dunn's wishes.
You want to stay alive? You pray?
Yes, he's praying.
Okay.
Kelly begged doctors to keep treating the former paramedic turned sheriff deputy, but the hospital gave her this letter. Life-sustaining treatment is medically inappropriate for Chris, and all treatments should be withheld.
I said, who gives you the right to kill my son? He goes, oh, Miss Kelly, we don't call it killing. We call it comfort care.
Kelly won a restraining order, and Dunn continued getting treatment until he passed away 5 weeks later. It was the beginning of Kelly's battle.
When he passed on, I said, I'll do everything and anything I can to fight this law, to get it changed, so nobody else has to go through this.
It's very similar to the fight 9-year-old Payton Summons' family just fought in Fort Worth. The law, passed in 1999, says if an attending physician refuses to honor a patient's advance directive or a treatment decision made on behalf of a patient, the physician's refusal shall be reviewed by an ethics committee. If the committee agrees with the doctor, the family has 10 days to transfer the patient to another facility. After that, the hospital is not obligated to provide life-sustaining treatment. The National Right to Life Committee monitors these laws nationwide. It tells the I-Team 48 states give hospitals the right to refuse treatment. Of those, 28 have to continue care until patients can find another facility. Only 2 states set a timeline for finding another facility, Virginia and Texas.
Criminals on death row have greater rights than patients in Texas hospitals.
Attorney Joe Nixon filed the lawsuit for Evelyn Kelly, saying it does not give a patient due process.
The hospital can simply say, we do not want to provide care anymore. That's what makes this statute so unconstitutional.
In a rare move in this October 2016 brief, Texas Attorney General Ken Paxton also called the law unconstitutional.
I think it's complicated.
Dr. Matthew Brown, director of the Center of Medical Science and Technology at UT Dallas, says he doesn't know if the law is right, but
it is a good thing that we have some kind of law in place. The main thing that the doctors who advocate for this law are concerned about is the welfare of the patient.
For now, the fate of this statute and that of those it impacts will soon be decided in a courtroom here in Harris County.
I hope it's soon for all these people that are coming up behind Payton. This law will be destroyed one day.
Few hospitals will take a patient once another facility says continuing treatment is inappropriate. That's what happened to Chris Dunn here. His family's lawsuit is now before the Court of Appeals. If they win, the Texas law will be deemed unconstitutional, which means in the future a patient's care will be decided by the patient or the family until a new law is written. In Houston, I'm Ginger Allen, CBS 11 News.
Ginger, thank you so much. If you have any tips or questions anytime for the I-Team, you can get a hold of them, I-Team@ktvt.com.